Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring Polygon MATIC, one of my favorite altcoins out there. If you're bullish on Ethereum, you've got to be bullish on this scaling token right here. So this is one I bought a long time ago, back in 2020. We're going to explore a bit of a price prediction, short and long term, and also how many tokens do you or me or anyone else need in order to potentially become a Polygon MATIC millionaire. So it's not really looking that promising anymore like it was, but this just happens. As coins grow, the returns diminish every single market cycle. So we can look at a realistic point of view right here. Looking at crypto bubbles today, we can see that the overall market conditions, we're seeing a bit of consolidation in the market. Bitcoin is still hovering at 30.5k, really teasing the next potential leg up. I would love to see a $35,000 Bitcoin soon. If it happens, amazing, but you know, anything can happen here, guys. We know crypto is a crazy world, so I've always got to do your own research. So we will be looking at, of course, Polygon at the moment. You know, they've had a nice little website makeover. Things are looking pretty good. There's a few important dates to save to your calendar if you are bullish on this coin, so more on that later. And they've also got a bunch of staking that you can do, earn rewards while securing the Polygon POS, proof of stake network. We can set up a node, you can become a delegator, or if you just want to directly stake, you can still get 12% rewards, 4.95% CRP, which is a current reward percentage, and it's super easy to get staking as well. But we're really just going to talk about the token itself. So this is the Twitter page, 112k followers. Looking at Polygon at the moment, we can see $435 million worth of volume, so quite a lot of volume. $7.2 billion market capitalization. So this, of course, is where things get a little bit, okay, you know, what's realistic, what isn't. It's a $7.2 billion market capital already, so a 10x is going to take to 72 billion. If we look at the previous market cycle, this coin came up to 20.5 billion at the all-time high, which is around a 300% or, you know, a 3x increase in price at the moment. So in order to achieve that $1 million, whatever you want to do, you're going to have like 300k invested into the project. So it's not looking super realistic. How about if you're looking for a 10x? You know, if this coin goes to 72 billion market capital in the next crypto bull run, then effectively you would be looking at, you know, $100,000 worth of the tokens, which is still a significant amount. So how many tokens would that actually be, trading at 0.77 right now? So 100,000 divided by 0.77, some key simple maths right there. We can see 168,000 MATIC tokens would take you to that number, which is pretty crazy. That's a lot of tokens. That's quite a lot of tokens indeed, but it's $100,000 worth. That's assuming it even goes to a $72 billion market capital. It might not do that. So moving on, we can see price structures here for MATIC, some interesting price action. And what we saw is these green zones here are the support levels. This is where lots of whales out there, you know, smart money identifies a nice range for reaccumulation. So what we saw was a massive pump over here from 2020. It went live on Coinbase 2021. Massive pump to the upside, and unfortunately I don't think we'll ever see the price of this coin come back down. It did 100x already. We can see from these lows here, it's already done 14,798% increase in price. So if you got in during 2020 around COVID time, you would have made so much money. Unfortunately, I did not sell at the top, and I still regret it to this exact day. But yeah, for some reason I can't delete these things. Right, here we go. So what we're looking at now is obviously what's relevant to today. We can see we had a bull market cycle. We came up to $2.69, $2.91 for Polygon MATIC right here, and we got that correction down. We came right down here to 0.32, and that was when we had all of the sort of Terra Luna Classic FUD and all those washouts over there. What happened is the price came up to this resistance range of $1.30, as we can see over there. So another really important range in my opinion. But we can see over and over again, this is a key resistance range that is popping up over here around $1.25. We're seeing the resistance there, we're getting the resistance here, we're getting it again there. So there's a few times where we're trying to break through that kind of key level of resistance, but we're just not getting through like we really need to. Another support range, $0.61. So we are looking at that as well. From a Fibonacci point of view, we corrected perfectly on the 0.786, as we can see here. If we take this leg up, correction, 0.786 Fibonacci right there. So it's a perfect corrective phase. That's really what you want to be seeing. And then from there, we had a lot of buying interest. So hopefully we can see the next impulse wave. What we can look at now is the previous leg up that we just had here. We can bring our fib extension tool like this, drag that down. And what we can see is we get some realistic price targets. So by the next crypto bull run, at least $3.26 I think is realistic. Now remember guys, nothing in this video is financial advice, nothing at all. You got to do your own research, make your own calculations and due diligences. But $3.26 is a pragmatic start in my opinion. If we use the previous all-time high, which is going to be over here, I'll just quickly show you. We can also get another long-term target, and we're talking about like by 2025 to 2030. So $7.15, that would give you roughly a 9x from the current price, a 9x guys. So you are still going to need about $110,000 worth of Polygon MATIC tokens in order to become that big crypto Polygon MATIC millionaire. So it's not looking like the most sort of lucrative opportunity, especially if you don't have a much capital to use. So this is why we usually steer towards low cap gems or sort of medium cap gems that haven't already explored to like 7 billion. So if you're looking at a coin of 10 to 100 million valuation, then it has much more upside potential for the future, which is very important to consider. For the short-term plays over here, if we move into a 4-hour time frame, no idea what this kind of candle is here. You can see it's looking very bullish. It's been a constant ascending triangle, so really bullish. We're sitting on top of that resistance trend line right now, so hopefully we can get a bit of a breakout to the upside. But you can see every time rejection at the top of the resistance trend line, and we are right there now guys. We are right there. You can see just sitting there at this 77 cents resistance. So this is a bullish chart pattern in my opinion. It's a continuation pattern. We're seeing the trend flip to the upside. If we look at our Bollinger Bands over here, if we also look at our RSI, we can see we are overbought, sitting at 70 at this particular time. But 4 hours, the last 4-hour candle was really juicy, and this is all because of the Polygon 2.0 update that is coming just around the corner. So Polygon wraps off version 2.0. This is another important thing to consider. More on that later. Long-term Polygon price prediction 2024 and all of the other dates through to 2030. So Coin Codex, they've got their own predictions, as we can see right here. They're saying 2024 we could see a yearly high of $3.88, 2025 a $5 price prediction, 2026 $2.25, 2027 $2.76, 2028 $6, 2029 given $7.54. So we weren't even too far off with our own prediction right there using those Fibonacci tools. I'd be very keen to see what might happen. So do remember, we've got Polygon 2.0 around the corner, guys. It's going to happen soon. This could be seriously good. It could be seriously bullish for the Polygon MATIC bulls out there. And I imagine more scalability, more liquidity, more utility at the same time. Sounds like we're rhyming over here. It's going to really help boost the overall organic growth of this particular token. So Polygon 2.0 is our blueprint for building the value layer. It is a set of proposed upgrades that radically reimagine almost every aspect of Polygon, from protocol architecture to tokenomics to governance. So another thing I'm really bullish on, you're going to get infinite scalability. Throughput on the internet scales elastically. When we need more capacity, we build it. So Polygon have got that sorted. Unified information exists in a shared environment accessible from anywhere in the world. Polygon 2.0 is a network of ZK-powered L2 chains unified via a novel cross-chain coordination protocol. For a user, the entire network will feel like using a single chain. The network can support a practically unlimited number of chains, and cross-chain interactions similar to Cardano can happen safely and instantly without additional security or trust assumptions. Unlimited scalability, guys. So damn bullish. Also, just want to quickly say, if you're new to the channel, get yourself down below into the Discord, Jacob's Crypto Clan. We are growing massively, 16,600 members at the moment. And if you want to get in some signals and stuff, all that goodness, make sure you click the link down below. So we're going to quickly check something new as well to the channel, the Kong token, a pre-sale that I am feeling quite bullish on. This is a sponsored post, but I'm actually going to grab a few $100s worth myself, I think, to be honest. And something that we rarely see, the CEO, the founder, I think his name is Yves Sivolani, has actually put a video up on the website. So immediately we're getting transparency, something that is so rare in the crypto space right now, especially with ICOs. So really cool to see. Kong token presale stage 10 is now open. You can buy with crypto, you can buy with a credit card, or whichever method you find best. So they've raised $196,497 at the moment. Countdown before price increase is 8 hours and 53 minutes away. The Kong price is 0.0499 per token, and the price at the next stage will go up by 9%. As you can see, the listing price is USD 0.5. That's up 900%, which is completely crazy, guys. So for that reason, I'm going to take a small shot at this token just to see what could possibly happen here. Kong holders have just surpassed 10,000, so they're thanking as well people for doing that. Venture capital, private equity, outstanding opportunities for everyone. So the conglomerate capital is the pioneer BEP20 blockchain based on investment platform to bring deals to investors across the globe under a decentralized governance structure through its unique token Kong. Be a part of the foremost cryptocurrency project in terms of token use. So you can see you've got some big partners here: TrustSwap, Phoenixio, Crypto, got MetaMask, got Pixel Web Solutions, Binance, Secure Block. Looks pretty cool, to be honest. Learn about the project. The path to exchange listings, 35 pre-sale stages. There's a lot of pre-sale stages. Could help with the volatility. And I think they've also got all of that right here on a chart. So you can see the calendar, you can see the token price evolution as it is growing more and more and more and more. You can also see the pre-sale stages. So wow, this is a this is a lot. But yeah, it looks like they're raising quite a bit of money, and I like how they've got so much transparency, something we don't really see much, to be honest. So you can see they've already got a load of coverage out there already in terms of influencers, and they've also got a load of staking that you can do as well. A bit more on that later. But yeah, staking is always nice, where you can potentially earn passive rewards. Remember, this is high risk, high reward entity, guys, so it's not financial advice. But for people locking in on 365 days, APY getting 59% compounded there. If weekly compounded, APY up to 80% as well. So the Kong token V2 is live. It's looking really cool. Nice website. There's an interview with the CEO as well, so you can do a bit of research on that. I've provided a link down below. But I think a token like this, you really got to sort of dig into deep, research it yourself, understand the platform. Here we've got some Kong staking statistics as well. You can see the different plans. You've got the dashboard here which shows you how to do it. Connect your wallet once you get those tokens, of course. So it's really nice. It's got that sort of DeFi touch as well. So it's not really like a meme coin or shit coin at all. It's something that's really got a lot of deep thought has gone into it. A long-term macro roadmap. They've had a seed round already, so they're in the early stage of 2023 right now of Kong token deployment. Token audit of 0 findings, staking launch, platform MVP, platform and token market fit, customers. And then after that, once they do their Kong exchange listing and all that good juicy stuff, they're going to go into the growth stage of 2024 and 2026 and moving on all the way up to 2030. So it's a long-term game, guys. We saw the Ocean DAO do a 24+X recently. It was a coin that reminded me of this one as well. So very keen to see what could happen here. They've already had their audit, as you can see, which is good. It means security is in the forefront of the mind, and they have a juicy white paper that you can research. It's a big one. It's a very big one, guys. 37 pages long. So again, I don't want to sit here for like an hour. This is something you do. Go grab a coffee, open a can of beer, whatever you have to do. Button your shirt, take your socks off, sit there in your rocking chair and just research the platform. Gosh, just research. We all have to do our own due diligence, even myself as well. So looks pretty good. Moving back into Polygon, some important dates we should discuss here before we wrap up the video. Polygon 2.0 important dates. So week of 19 June already had the Polygon proof of stake consensus. 26th of June, just recently, we had the architecture and stack. Now 10 July 2023, the token we're going to see here, week of 17 July, the governance as well. So two big events. Obviously, we've already had the token event, but the governance event is the next one. So keep your eyes peeled on Polygon MATIC right now. I think it could do some very exciting stuff. Last 7 days, it's already been really, really bullish. $500 million worth of money has actually gone into this token as well. So it's moving nice on the day. Really, really big pump. It could be one of the top gainers for the month of July 2023. I'm not really sure what will happen, but I'm getting very excited and a bullish gut feeling about this particular coin. I'm looking forward to the road back to $1, and I will continue to dollar cost average into projects like these. I really do believe in those blue chips in the crypto markets, and I think they're more safe options, and that's what's good, to have that sort of diversity in a portfolio with these safer options, as well as the low cap, high risk, high reward, explosive gems out there. So I hope this video was somewhat helpful. If you are new to the channel, do consider becoming part of the Jacob Crypto Clan Patreon, where you can become either a crypto hunter, a crypto warrior, a crypto champion, or a crypto legend. Just 5 of those are remaining. This will give you very many exclusive benefits in the crypto markets. You're going to get leverage trading, spot trading signals, early access to pre-sales and whitelistings. You're going to get inside info and early access to stealth launches and straight to DEX tokens, as well as a bunch of educational support and all that good stuff you need to help you thrive in the crypto market. So that's about a wrap. Do smash the subscribe button. We're about to hit 20,000 subscribers, and if you check out Twitter right now, doing a $2,500 giveaway. I know there's a lot of stuff, but all the juicy info is in the links down below in the comments and description section. Thanks for watching this video. I'm going to check out now. It's a 15-minute video, so I hope I had your attention all the way till the end. If I did, please just write I watched this video until the end, because that tells me that you're actually watching the video, and it's really interesting if you were watching till the end. I mean, if someone gave me 15 minutes of their time, that's a really big kind of compliment and an honor, and I thank you for that. Also, if you are new here, subscribe to the channel. 97% of people do not subscribe, they just watch the video. So if you're going to click the video, might as well do another click on the subscribe button too. See you.